Welcome. Today we're taking a deep dive into Sri Lanka's wild heart. Think ancient rhythms,
Hmm.
the sound of elephants maybe,
Yeah.
a truly untouched wilderness.
Exactly. We're talking about Udawalawe National Park. It's more than just a park. It's a critical sanctuary.
It's a sanctuary.
Yes, a haven for giants, really. A kind of timeless stage for some incredible wildlife encounters in Asia.
Ah.
Especially, the elephants it's famous for.
And that's our mission today, right? To really unpack what makes Udawalawe so vital.
Yeah.
Why does it give you this unforgettable connection to the wild?
It's quite a story, actually.
This park, it covers over, what, 308 square kilometers
Mhm.
down in the southern part of Sri Lanka. It was created back in 72
That's right.
as a refuge for animals that were, well, displaced when they built the Udawal Reservoir, which is kind of interesting, isn't it? Human development creating a new ecosystem.
It is quite paradoxical, yeah.
Yeah.
And what really makes Udawalawe stand out is how reliably you can see elephants. It's almost predictable.
Unlike some other places where it's pure luck.
Pretty much. Here, especially in the dry season, an encounter is almost guaranteed. You see whole herds gathering near the water, out on the plains, just living their lives, roaming free. It's incredible to witness.
And that first sight, I mean, it stays with you. This huge gray shape just appearing from the trees, ears flapping slowly, trunk testing in the air, and then more just sort of unfold like shadows. A matriarch leading maybe some clumsy calves trotting along. It's so peaceful, powerful too.
It really is. And we're talking about Sri Lankan elephants here. Udawalawe is home to, I think, over 250 resident elephants.
Wow.
And beyond those giants, you've got this amazing ecosystem, thanks to that big reservoir. It creates this mix of grasslands, forests, wetlands.
So lots of different habitat.
Exactly, which supports water buffalo, spotted deer, macaques, mongoose, even the odd leopard, if you're really lucky, and birds.
Oh, yes, the birds.
Oh, it's a paradise for bird watchers. Over 180 species recorded. Peacocks showing off, eagles soaring, painted storks. You might even spot mugger crocodiles near the water.
Something else that really grabs me is the Udawalawe Elephant Transit Home.
Ah, yes. That's special.
It's run by the government, right? For orphaned elephant calves.
That's it. They raise them with minimal human contact. The whole goal is to release them back into the wild when they're ready.
And it feels ethical.
It's genuinely ethical. You can watch the feeding times usually around 10:30 a.m., 2:3 p.m., 6 p.m., but that's it. No touching, no rides, none of that.
Just conservation.
Pure conservation. It's
Right.
quite moving, actually, seeing them prepare for life back where they belong. It's inspiring.
So a typical safari, you're in an open-top Jeep, usually with a local guide who really knows the place.
Right. Early morning or late afternoon is great for that golden light, for photos and such.
But sometimes the best moments are just stopping, being quiet, just watching nature unfold, It feels very authentic.
It does, and Udala does a good job, I think, balancing tourism and conservation. There are strict rules, no feeding animals, no chasing them, keep your distance.
That authenticity matters.
It's key. And when you visit, you're not just, having a great safari experience, you're actually contributing.
How so?
Well, the park fees, the guides, it supports conservation work directly. Rescue operations, research, raising awareness about doing wildlife tourism the right way. Plus, it really benefits the local communities.
So the guides, the drivers, many are from nearby villages.
Exactly. It helps build a sustainable future, connecting the park's health with the well-being of the people around it.
So Udawalawe, a park born from displacement, defined by these incredible elephants. What does it teach us, do you think? About adapting, maybe? Resilience?
That's a great question. It certainly offers more than just a safari, doesn't it? It's a model, in a way, for coexistence in a world where human-wildlife conflict is sadly increasing. Visiting supports that model.
And maybe there's something in just watching them, observing the patience of nature, seeing elephants just be, grazing, playing in the water, interacting. Maybe watching that teaches us something about our own pace, our own place in the world. It's a connection that, it humbles you. It teaches you. And it definitely stays with you long after you've left the park.